Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see Hyderabadi special chicken Haleem. In Ramzan season, we can see here many Haleem outlets and my favorite also. Let's check out the recipe. We can make this Haleem in chicken and mutton. Today we are going to make with chicken.